Hello, I welcome you to my Yoruba language class. In this class, we shall be learning the Yoruba language tonation, àmì ohùn. Yoruba language is a tonal language, and the pronunciation of words is based on what is called tone marks, àmì ohùn. Understanding the use of tone marks is key to properly reading, writing, and speaking the Yoruba language. This is important because some words have similar spelling, but at the addition of tone marks, these words will take different meanings. There are three types of tone marks. The first one is the low tone, àmì ìsàlẹ̀, do, do. This is represented by a left to right slanted line. The second one is the high tone, àmì òkè, mi, mi. This is represented by a right to left slanted line. And the last one is the mid tone, àmì àárín, re, re. This is represented by a dash sign or left without any sign. These marks are applied to the top of the vowels within each syllable of a word or phrase. Now let's look at the vowels in the Yoruba language. There are 7 Yoruba language vowels, and they are a, e, I, o, u. Also, let us look at what a syllable is. A syllable in Yoruba language is the smallest tone-bearing unit. Syllable jẹ́ ègé ọ̀rọ̀ tó kéré jù tí a lè pè jáde lẹ́nu ní ìsí ẹ̀mí kan ṣoṣo. Now let us take the word Yoruba as an example to show what we have been discussing since the start of the class. In this example, we will find the numbers of syllables. We will identify the vowels that will be taking up the tonal marks. We will then apply the tonal marks to get the correct pronunciation of this word, which will give us its true meaning. Now, let us look at the numbers of syllables that we have in this word. Remember, a syllable in Yoruba language is the smallest tone-bearing unit. So in this word, we have yo, ru, ba, 3 syllables. Now, let us identify the vowels that will be taking up the tonal marks and then apply the tonal marks on them. In this example, the vowels are o, u, a, o, u, a. And the tonal marks for this word are re, do, mi, re, do, mi. The re will be applied on the o, the do will be applied on the u, and the mi will be applied on the a. This changes the pronunciation from Yoruba that we had initially to Yoruba, re, do, mi, Yoruba. Now, let us take examples of words with similar spellings but which takes up different meanings at the application of tonal marks. The first example is o, g, o. If we apply the tonal marks of do, do, we will have ojo, ojo, which means rain. And if we apply the tonal marks of re, re, we will have ojo, ojo, which is timid. Now, let us take another example. A, bi, a. If we apply the tonal marks of re, mi, we will have a, pa, which is hand. If we apply the tonal marks of do, mi, we will have a, pa, pa, which is scar. If we apply the tonal marks of do, we will have a, pa, which is vandal. From these examples, we can all see how the understanding of the use of tonal marks is key to properly reading, writing, and speaking the Yoruba language. Now, let me give you a little homework to test your understanding of what we have learned in this class. In this statement, the weather is good. Ojú ọjọ́ dára. Ojú ọjọ́ dára. I want you to find out the number of syllables. I want you to identify the vowels that will be taking up the tonal marks. And I want you to apply the tonal marks on those vowels. The hint is this. I want you to follow the sound that I've given you in this word. Ojú ọjọ́ dára. I'll be expecting your answers in the comment section. We have come to the end of the lecture. We will meet in the next class.